I'm going to show you how to supercharge an electric bug racket with a $5 taser module from Amazon. You can do it with any racket, but I'm going to demonstrate with a rechargeable zapper racket. Remove the 4 screws, including the hidden one, under the USB charger cover. Remove the 2 silver screws holding the circuit board down. Remove the 3 blue and the 1 red wire from the top of the circuit board. Remove and set aside the yellow trigger button. Check out the positive and negative sides of the circuit board when we hook up the taser. Cut the circuit board right at the hole. Make your second cut right above the switch. Replace the silver screw in the circuit board. Take your taser module and remove any extra casing so that it will fit inside the handle. Trim the wires and strip the ends. You'll need to remove this little post right here so that the taser module will fit. Twist the ends of the wires to make them easier to work with. Solder the green and the blue wire anywhere on the negative side and the red wire on the positive side above the switch. Twist the 2 blue wires from the racket to one side of the taser module and the red wire to the other side. Finish them off with a little bit of solder. Hold and protect the wires with a little bit of hot glue. Replace the button and give it a quick test before you put it back together. Close it back up and replace the 4 screws. Enjoy your new Mule racket and use it recklessly.